Hi, I'm David Bombal and I want to welcome you to this Packet Tracer course. I'm really excited about this course. My team and I have been working for months to create what I believe is the most comprehensive and detailed Packet Tracer course available on the internet today. In my experience, I find that a lot of CCNA courses are very theoretical. They'll teach you the concepts, but there's no way for you to test and verify your knowledge. Do other courses contain hundreds of pages of lab guides? In other words, detailed, mentored, instructor-led lab guides. Do other courses have assessments that verify your knowledge? This course is different to other courses. It contains detailed lab guides that help you prepare for the CCNT or CCENT and CCNA exams. This course is not like other CCNA courses or other Packet Tracer courses. This course is hands-on, it's practical, and consists of multiple detailed lab guides that help you verify your knowledge of CCNA topics. Let me ask you a question. Are you ready to pass the CCENT or CCNA exam? Are you sure that you're ready? Well, this course can give you both the confidence and the knowledge to pass your CCNA exam. This course consists of detailed hands-on labs that you need to complete. But not only that, it consists of multiple assessments. In other words, there are assessment labs that you need to complete to verify your knowledge. Make sure that you can complete and pass our lab exams before you go and take the real CCENT or CCNA exam. In the assessment labs, once again, you need to verify your knowledge. You need to complete these labs and then check whether you've been able to complete everything that's required to get the lab working. So will you be ready for your CCNA exam? This is the way that you're going to verify your knowledge and make sure that you're prepared to pass the exam. Now, who am I? I'm David Bombal, and I passed my Cisco CCIE lab exam in January 2003. In other words, I passed one of the hardest Cisco exams many years ago. I've also been an instructor for over 15 years. I've taught thousands and thousands of students Cisco technologies. On Udemy alone, I have over 100,000 students. If you want to get more information about me, simply Google my name, and you'll find lots of information about me. I've been doing this for a long time, but not only that, I've had help creating this course. My team contains experienced network engineers as well as instructors who have taught hundreds and thousands of students over the years. Based on our combined knowledge, we've created this course. But don't take our word for it. Look at the reviews on my courses. I have one of the highest reviews of any instructor on the Udemy platform. And there's no risk. If you don't find the course useful, you can always get a refund. So what's stopping you? Hopefully you'll click the buy button and join me as I lead you through multiple CCNA labs that help you prepare for the exam. Let's get started right now, making sure that you're ready for your exam.